Infy Maker Awards is a signature program of Infosys Foundation USA aimed at creating opportunities for more students across the U.S. to engage in making. In 2019, more than 100 applications were received. Here are the 10 winners, which will each receive a grant of $10,000. Council of Schools and Services for the Blind from Mableton, Georgia.
The children who are blind and visually impaired, they need a special space adapted to their needs.
This organization will develop a series of modules for educators that provide online instructions, equipment, and training for hands-on STEM activities adapted to the needs of blind students. Discovery Cube OC from Santa Ana, California.
Hola, bienvenidos, and welcome to Discovery Cube.
This organization will create a series of makerspace water challenges for students to learn about, design, and make innovative solutions to the issues of water scarcity and conservation in Southern California. Girls Right Now from New York, New York.
An Infy Maker Award will allow us to infuse cutting-edge multimedia curriculum into all of our programs, serving a combined 300 high school girls and professional women writers.
This organization will grow its digital media mentoring program, including integrating multimedia curriculum across all programs and fostering youth-driven creativity at the intersection of language, technology, and art. HackSchool from Denver, Colorado.
HackSchool, a socially conscious, community-centered makerspace here in North Denver.
This organization will design and build a mobile HackSchool Make-Break-Tinker Lab to take its maker programming on the road into the community and into other schools. People in Education from Detroit, Michigan.
People in Education is an arts and education project committed to humanizing schooling.
This organization partners media artists with classrooms to facilitate student-led community investigations, which culminate in a collaborative media project and will continue this work through the 2019 to 2020 Artist in Residence program in 3 Detroit area classrooms. Project Invent from Menlo Park, California.
Project Invent wants to inspire every student to be a change maker.
This organization will host workshops in California and Vermont focused on making for social good for students who often don't have access to maker programs. SAM Academy from Sanger, California.
This is a class of 4th graders at Wilson Elementary working in the science workshop that SAM Academy created.
This organization will increase participation by underserved children and youth in rural San Joaquin Valley, California, with learning experiences in the Sanger SAM Academy Community Science Workshop, the Wilson Elementary Library Computer Science Workshop, Maker Festival, and the High School Art Maker Mentor Program. The Big Brained Superheroes Club from Seattle, Washington.
The Big Brained Superheroes is where Anissa and I go after school, Monday through Thursday, to do nerdy things.
This organization will renovate its current lab and outreach assets to increase capacity and community awareness of its programming in the low-income Yesler neighborhood near downtown Seattle. THINKERY from Austin, Texas.
We're a place for kids to gain the skills and confidence they need to grow into enthusiastic, lifelong learners and thinkers.
This organization will create a series of new hands-on projects for school groups at the museum's makerspace, engaging more than 25,000 students in meaningful making. The Whitney Workshop at the Eli Whitney Museum from Hamden, Connecticut.
You can see in kids' reaction that it's working for them, that it feels right. And our goal is to discover as many of those authentic expressions as possible.
This organization will double the scale and versatility of its maker programs in New Haven schools, including the creation of maker carts to equip workshops in 6 schools. Congratulations to the 2019 Infy Maker Award winners.